A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My today's class is for 8th, subject is science and topic is reproduction in animals. My dear students, what is reproduction? Reproduction is a process by which living organisms give birth to their young ones. It is a process by which living organisms give birth to their young ones. This reproduction is of two types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Reproduction is of two types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction and what is sexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved. A single parent is involved. And sexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which there is a fusion of male and female gametes. In which there is fusion of male, female and male gametes. Or we can say in sexual reproduction there are two parents which are involved in this reproduction. In asexual reproduction only a single parent is involved. Now we will discuss today asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is the type of reproduction in which a single parent is involved. Asexual reproduction takes place by two methods. First is budding. This process takes place in hydra and bacteria. A part of organisms start budding out. Slowly it grows and develops into a separate individual. This takes place in plant hydra and animal bacteria. In this type of reproduction, in this type of part of reproduction, the organisms start bulging out. Slowly it grows and develops into a separate individual. Second is binary fission. This type of reproduction takes place in amoeba. The nucleus of amoeba gets divided into two, followed by division of their bodies. Each part getting one nucleus, each part developed into separate amoeba. This type of reproduction is common in unicellular organisms. This is common in unicellular organisms like amoeba. In this type of reproduction, the nucleus of amoeba gets divided into two, followed by division of their bodies. Here I will show you. This is amoeba. This is a unicellular organism. This is its nucleus. This nucleus gets divided into, this amoeba gets divided into two cells. Here nucleus also gets divided into two, followed by division of their bodies. This nucleus gets divided into two, followed by division of their bodies. Here this is followed by division of bodies. Here two bodies are developed. Each part developed into separate amoeba. This is one amoeba and this is second. This type of reproduction is common in all unicellular organisms. Here we get an example of amoeba. So I will repeat this topic again. Reproduction. This is the process by which living organisms give birth to their young ones. This reproduction is of two types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which a single parent is involved, and sexual reproduction is a reproduction in which two parents are involved or there is a fusion of female and male gametes. Asexual reproduction is done in two methods. First is budding Budding is a process in which an organism starts bulging out. Slowly it grows and develops into a separate individual. Example is hydra and bacteria. Second is binary fission. This binary fission takes place in all unicellular organisms. Here we will get an example of amoeba. In amoeba, the nucleus gets divided into two, followed by division of their bodies, each part getting one nucleus developed into separate amoeba. So this was about asexual reproduction. This is all for today. Thank you very much.